What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we really need to talk about something important. As you can see, as Dogecoin goes up, all the other cryptos are dropping. That's because people are taking their money out of all these other cryptos, just like I did, and they're putting it all into Dogecoin. And the reason why Dogecoin is dropping is because now people are taking their profits out of Dogecoin, and then they're putting it back into their accounts or back into other cryptos. So we should definitely see this correct itself, because yeah, we did lose a lot of money on Cardano, but that's because everyone took their money out of Cardano and put it into Dogecoin. So right now, now that everyone's putting their money into Dogecoin, we should definitely see Cardano jump. And I definitely believe Cardano is going to continue to rise, because Cardano is a very stable coin. But yeah, Dogecoin is going so crazy right now that people, they don't have much faith inside of Cardano and other cryptos. So now they're taking their money out so they can get more profits. And I know this because I did the same thing. I did the same exact thing as them. I had $2,500 in Cardano, but I actually put it all into Dogecoin. And actually, I predicted that Dogecoin would drop from 45 cents all the way down, because that was a lot of growth. So I was like, all right, let me go ahead and lock this in. So I locked in that trade. I sold all my Dogecoin at 45 cents. And just like I said, it went all the way down. But I'm going to re-enter my position. I want to re-enter my position back in at Dogecoin at 30 cents, or maybe around 25 cents if it goes that low. But if it doesn't end up going that low, I'll re-enter my position back in at 40 cents. But I actually want this to go down a little bit more, because that means that the people who are trading smart can actually make money on this. So if you're selling at the top and you're buying back in at the low, you are making the most money out of everyone. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm already up $3,600 for the day, which is pretty good. And call me greedy, but I'm trying to be up $5,000. I'm trying to be up 10,000 for the day. So that's why I'm swing trading like this. I'm doing this strategically. I'm not trying to put all my money in all at once and lose it all at once. So I'm waiting for the best opportunity to put my money in. And at 36 cents, I'm not being pessimistic about Dogecoin, but come on, look at this chart. Look at this chart and tell me I'm wrong. Like, look at that massive sell off that we just now had. That's a massive sell off, and nobody could have predicted that, but I definitely predicted it. So yeah, this is definitely going to continue to do some weird numbers. It could jump, it could drop. Nobody knows. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but this video is more so on Cardano. Because if we look at Cardano's price is going down due to Dogecoin going up. That's because everyone's taking money out of Cardano. This doesn't make Cardano a bad crypto. This actually makes it the best time to buy in on Cardano. Like, you're buying in at a 6% discount. So now you have a 6% discount for Cardano. So yeah, Cardano is doing really good right now. And we're definitely looking at a good drop right here in the Cardano. And yeah, this is right where Dogecoin started to spike. That's where Cardano started to drop. Everyone's taking their money out of all the cryptos. It's not even just Cardano. Cardano is just the one that we're more optimistic on, and at least me. So as you can look here, most cryptos right now, they're mostly doing bad because of Dogecoin. As you can see, people are taking money out of these cryptos, but there are some positive cryptos, and these are the ones that are worth more typically. As you can see, Litecoin's up. We have ZEC up. We have all these cryptos up. We have Dash up. All this is up. So yeah, Ethereum Classic is up as well as Dogecoin. So people are taking their money out of the smaller cryptos and they're investing it into Dogecoin. And Ethereum Classic is going crazy as well. Cardano is really big. I'm really big on Cardano, and I definitely believe Cardano has potential. So Cardano is down 6%. We have XLM down 6.54%. So XLM is down at 59 cents. Then we have HBAR HEDERA. HEDERA is down 9%. So I'm definitely glad I sold out of my positions yesterday and then put it all in on Dogecoin. That was a very good play, and everyone that followed me with that play also made money. But yeah, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So take this with a grain of salt. Invest only what you're willing to lose, because if you're not willing to lose it, I would not put that money into it, because anything could happen with Doge right now. Doge is so volatile right now. Nobody knows how it's going to go. Like, look at this. Usually when we see something like this, we're preparing for another drop, maybe down to 32 cents. As you can see, it's going like a stair set right now. Look, you can see it's going like a staircase straight down, and now we are right here at this middle ground. So we might even continue to drop, or we might just go up. No one really knows what's going to happen with Doge, but we kind of know what's going to happen with Cardano. Even though Cardano is going down in the short term right now, as you can see, Cardano is down because of Doge. But if Doge didn't do what it did, Cardano would still be going up. As you can see, it's been having a lot of growth recently, and Cardano, it really came from nothing all the way up to something. And right over here, we can see right around this time right here, I believe that was the third. Yep, right around the third, Cardano was trading sideways. So the Cardano was stagnant right around here at the third. So really, $1.16 is looking like big resistance for Cardano to $1.20. So if Cardano continues to go down, we will not go down below $1.20, I believe. Like, as you can see, when it went down here and there was a massive sell-off, it went from $1.37 all the way down to $1.06. And then we beat those lows, and now those aren't the new lows. Now the new lows are around here where it's stagnant, which is $1.20. So we should not see Cardano go down below $1.20. Honestly, I don't even want to see Cardano go below $1.30. But obviously, the charts, they follow what they follow. They follow where the people's monies are going. So if people are taking money out, Cardano will go down. So if not Bitcoin, but if Dogecoin continues to go up, if we really hit 50 cents by tonight and $1 by tomorrow, expect Cardano to continue to go down a little bit, and expect everything else to continue to go down a little bit. But right when you see Dogecoin going down, just know Cardano is going to shoot up, because people are going to be relocating their money. This is going really crazy. The whole crypto space is going crazy right now. People who never invested into crypto are now invested, which is really shooting the prices up for Bitcoin or Dogecoin. I keep calling it Bitcoin because it's doing the same run that Bitcoin did. It's doing that same crazy run. So I definitely expect Doge to go up, but I don't know. It's so crazy right now that we could see it go down. Honestly, Cardano is pretty stagnant right now because it had such a big drop, 6%. But Cardano is going back up, so I definitely would not count Cardano out. You can see it dropped, but now it's continuing to go up. Once it hit that resistance point, it's going to continue to go up. And if we look over here at the 1 minute, we can see we're up. We're really up for this minute. And we're going up ultimately with Cardano. So I would definitely say keep your eyes on Cardano. Don't be too focused on Doge if you haven't been invested in Doge heavily before that, because the main people that are making money with Doge that you see, we were invested a while ago. We didn't just start investing in Doge. We've been invested in Doge, and I've been in and out Doge myself. I'd never stay in Doge for too long, and I never really stay in any crypto or any stock for too long because they can do anything. So I wait for all cryptos and stocks to peak, and then I take my profits. And anyone, you can do whatever you want, but that's just what I do. I'm not comfortable with losing $10,000, so do not put it in what you're not comfortable losing. I'm comfortable with losing $1,000, but not 10,000. So if I ever did go into something really long term, it's not going to be all of my money that I'm just watching go down. It's going to be a little bit. So if you are in Cardano, I would definitely say to hold it there. Do not jump out of Cardano because of Doge. Doge is continuing to go up, but Doge will have its time. It will have its time when it rests. It will have its time when it drops. It will have its time when it jumps. But when it does that, you will see Cardano do something different. You will see Cardano rise when Doge jumps. So I would definitely continue to watch Cardano. This is actually a really good buying opportunity for Cardano owners. Like, if you want to buy Cardano now, I would say now is the time to buy Cardano. Like, everyone's buying Cardano. My brother's buying Cardano. I'm going to buy Cardano. And honestly, I really do believe Doge could hit 50 cents. And this whole 420 thing is crazy right now. So I don't want to count Doge out. Me, myself, I'm going to stay invested into Doge because I believe 420 is going to be big for Doge. We're going to get memes. We're going to get people supporting Doge. We're going to get a lot for Doge on 420. And 420 is going to be a really big day for Doge. So definitely watch out for that. And I'm going to continue to watch it. But just know, if Doge jumps on 420, just know that Cardano will drop. Just know that ADA will drop. Just know that HEDERA will drop. A lot of cryptos will drop if it goes up. But I don't say just sell out of those, because you never know. And really, you just want to have money on the sides. So when things drop, you can get it at a discounted price. So people that sold out of Cardano, like people that sold out of Cardano yesterday and are buying back in today, are getting it at a way better price right now. And Doge is continuing to go up. So honestly, we don't know where Cardano is going to go because we just have so much growth in Doge that people are going to continue to take their money out. And yeah, I took some of my money out of Cardano too. I put it into Doge. But this is because I'm trading smart right now. I'm watching this and I just now made $3,600. Now I can take those same gains and put it into the discounted Cardano. Cardano is discounted 6%. So if I take all my gains and I put them into the Cardano is discounted. So now I'm just continuing to double my money. And the way I keep doing that is just swing trading it. I'm buying low and I'm selling high. So yeah, Doge right now is breaking 39 cents again. And obviously on Robinhood, they have halted it. They're not letting people buy or sell their Doge. That is pretty crazy right now. I'm glad I got my money out of Robinhood. Sorry for anyone that has their money in Robinhood, but you know how it is. Robinhood does this a lot because the volume, they can't sustain such high volume, and it's understandable. But that's why I like Binance, I like Coinbase, stuff like that. But yeah, they're definitely going up. Doge is gonna go up. Cardano is gonna go up, and HEDERA is gonna go up. The reason why I'm saying Doge might drop, it's only gonna drop in the short term, but this is a long term play. Doge is definitely going to go up in the long term. We are going to be at $1 by the end of the year. And honestly, at this point, we could be at $1 by 420. So no one knows what's going to happen right here in crypto. As you can see, Cardano is starting to go up, though. We're at 5.93%. We were at 6.11%. And now we're continuing to go up. HEDERA was actually down 9%. Now, as you can see, when Doge dropped, some people took their money out and they probably put it into Cardano and HEDERA. Like, this is pretty crazy. Like, so HBAR is going up because people are taking their money out of Doge. I took my money out of Doge, but I don't know where exactly I want to put my money. Like, I'm just standing on the sidelines here. I'm just watching because I've made so much profit. I'm not about to be greedy. I'm going to let everyone else continue to make their profit because let's say I put my money into Doge and I continue to go up. It's gonna continue to rise, but I don't want to be too greedy right now because whenever you're greedy, you tend to lose money when you're greedy, and that's happened to me before. Because let me explain to you a little story when I was greedy. So I invested $700 into the stock market, into HCMC stock. It's an OTC stock. So I invested $700 into HCMC. HCMC then went from 0.0001 cents to 0.004 cents. And I actually sold it at 0.004 cents. So I made 20K off of that. So what I did with that 20K, I started to try to day trade it, and I started to try to do a lot. And then I was just being too greedy, and I lost all of it. But now I'm making it back, and now I'm at 10,000 here. I got like 5,000 in another account. So now I'm making this money back, but it's still going crazy. Cardano is definitely going to be doing good for us. And Dogecoin is going to be doing good. We just got to be careful and not greedy. Even the developer of Dogecoin told people, do not be greedy. He said gambling is one hell of a drug. So if you are gambling your whole life savings in Dogecoins, just stop it right now. Just stop it right now. Take your profits and run away. Because if you don't, you may lose everything or you may gain everything. But would you rather possibly lose your life savings, or would you rather possibly gain it over time slowly? But some people are just greedy. I was one of those greedy people, so I can't really talk about it, but I myself am waiting for Doge right now. I'm standing on the sidelines. Like something my brother said is actually resonating with me. He said when you see people that don't usually invest in something start talking about it, that's when you jump out. Soulja Boy, Big Draco, Doge to $1. Let's go, Big Draco. That is obviously a hint that you might want to jump out because Big Draco is in it. Big Draco is in Doge. Yes, crank that Soulja Boy. He was cranking that Soulja Boy all the way to Doge Town. He is cranking that Doge on the moon right now. Soulja Boy is going crazy on Dogecoin right now. So this is crazy. Y'all see Soulja Boy in it. Come on, y'all. This is just too funny right now. I think Dogecoin is the biggest meme of the internet right now. We are cranking that Soulja Boy on the moon. We are about to be cranking that Doge on the Mars. We're about to be doing crazy numbers. I didn't even expect to see Soulja Boy. on this. But yeah, my brother was definitely right. Like, when you see people that don't normally invest into something invest into it, you want to jump out. Honestly, Dogecoin is doing good. It will also continue to do good. But when we have big drops, they will be big. They will be big. So do not sleep on it. Definitely watch Dogecoin and definitely do not go all in. Whenever you go all in on anything, you're looking for a bad time. But when I go all in on something, I do it calculated. I jump in right at the bottom and then I jump out right at the top. I'm out at the top. See, I could be greedy and go into Doge right now with all my money, but I'm not going to do that because I know how things can go. Things can go south, things could go north. But if things go north, I know I didn't lose anything. I just lost potential gains. But if things go south, I just lost all of my money. But that's why I'm watching this. I'm just going to stand on the sidelines and I'm going to let everyone else make their money. I'm happy for everyone and I'm going to continue to make these videos so then people can continue to make this money. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But it's just like, if you really think about it, like, when has Elon Musk tweeted during this run for this morning and the day? No, Elon Musk has not tweeted. Has Mark Cuban tweeted? No, because they're not focused in the hype. They are the hype. So I follow the hype. Soulja Boy, he's hyped on it, but he is not the hype. He's in the hype, but he's not the hype. He's the hype for this 2,500 people right here that are looking at his post, but he's not the hype for everyone else. Elon Musk is the hype. So when you see Elon Musk bullish on it, that's when you want to be bullish on it. And as you can see, it's continuing to fluctuate. So I would definitely make sure that you guys don't sleep on Cardano. Take some of your profits from Dogecoin, throw it into Cardano. Take some of your profits, throw it into HBAR HEDERA. But do not go in all in and lose all your money. That's not what you want to do. That's not smart investing. Don't just listen to people on the internet because they could mislead you. I don't want to mislead anyone. I just want to let everyone know there's profits to be made, but there's also profits to be lost. So I don't want anyone to lose money. I just want you to make it. So make sure that you're really calculating your trades. Honestly, if we're going to be completely honest, the reason why I would tell someone not to buy at this point is because if you're trying to day trade it, it might not go well if it goes down to 32 cents. But then I would turn around and tell that same person to buy it if you're planning to hold until 420. Because if you're planning to hold until 420, 420 is going to be big for Dogecoin because one, Slim Jim, two, is 420. We're going to get all the people that you know love 420 are going to be buying Doge because of the meme. 420 itself is a meme, so put two and two together. We have two memes, and then wait, we're taking a third meme. We're taking the Slim Jim Dogecoin. That's another meme. Oh wait, we're taking a fourth meme. We're taking Tesla. We're taking Elon Musk. Elon Musk is making memes on this. So we're getting so much media attention that we're bound to continue to rise. But if you're just trying to short-term trade, do not lose all your money in it. I only do the short-term trading like that because I'm pretty skilled with it. I know when it's going to drop. I know when it's going to jump. It hit 45 cents and I was like, there's no way we're going to continue to rise this early in the day. But we will rise later on in the day. So I was like, let me lock in my profits early in the day at 45 cents and sell it and then wait till it goes back down to 32 cents. And what did it do? It went down to 32 cents. I was going to buy it back in at 32 cents, but I was actually editing the video for the Dogecoin video. And I was like, oh man, I just missed that buying opportunity. But I'm not going to be greedy and just buy it at 37 cents because I seen how low it went. But now we're having this resistance at 37 cents, which is pretty crazy. And yeah, I really wanted to focus on Cardano today, but it's hard to focus on Cardano when Doge is doing so good. Like, I know everyone is so optimistic on Cardano. Do not sell Cardano. I know I made a video about Cardano yesterday. So to anyone that bought Cardano and it dropped, don't feel like I misled you because Cardano is a good crypto. Cardano is one of those cryptos that you want to hold for the long term. And actually, I know all of you in Cardano aren't going to hate me for buying in yesterday because you're all long-term holders. That's the only reason why you clicked the video, because you know Cardano is going to continue to rise. We all know it. I know people that are invested in Cardano that have their whole life savings in Cardano. Cardano is very good. It's very reliable. So I would definitely say keep your money there. But I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I gotta continue to say that because people get mad when they lose money, and I don't want them to be mad at me because this is all your choice. It's all your decisions. I'm just pointing out the obvious, and the obvious is that Cardano is a good coin, and Dogecoin is also a good coin. It's just you can't be too greedy on anything. Like, you can't be too greedy on anything. You can't have your cake and eat it too. Like, that's the most oldest saying ever, and it's so right. You cannot. And it's like, whenever you're greedy, you tend to lose a lot. Whenever you're greedy, you tend to lose a lot of money. So don't lose a lot of money. As Meet Kevin says, you just hold all those tendies, keep all those tendies, keep running up all those tendies. We're gonna go up, buy the dip, like he says, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. Cardano is at a dip. This is a good dip. Will it continue to dip? Yeah, it really could. But also 5% is a good point to buy dips. Like, whenever you see something go below 5%, that's a good dip. If you see it 10%, that's still a good dip. Continue to buy every 5%. And then eventually it'll get at a point where it starts to go up by 5% and then another 5%. And that's when your money starts to double and it starts to compound. That's what compound interest is about. So yeah, definitely continue to watch Dogecoin. It'll continue to rise. It'll continue to drop. It'll continue to fluctuate. But definitely we already passed the moon with Dogecoin. So people saying Dogecoin to the moon, they're wrong. We're going to Mars. We are not going to the moon. We're going to Mars. That's what Elon Musk actually posted. He posted Mars. So yeah, the moon is no longer the destination. It is now Mars. So yeah, definitely, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe, and check out the description, and you can get a free stock with Robinhood. But unfortunately, Robinhood has halted Dogecoin sales, so you won't be able to get that on Robinhood, but you can still mess with your stocks. Coinbase is now on Robinhood, so definitely go buy Coinbase. And Coinbase might be adding Doge in the future, so definitely watch out for that. So yeah, hit the like button, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.